Anti-Hall Agenda, Group 8, Weekends, Jessica Hatcher and Alexis Wright. The Anti-Hall Agenda is a social media-driven website designed to flip traditional shopping culture by celebrating what people didn't buy. Our goal is to make the idea of degrowth fun and easy to understand by using humor, memes, and fun interactive challenges. The site is organized into clear sections: the homepage, the about page, the anti-haul way, the impulse graveyard, don't buy that, and community challenges, each encouraging user participation. For example, community challenges uses fun activities and hashtags to get more attention and create a feeling of togetherness. The anti-haul way page educates users on degrowth ideas and offers helpful links, while the homepage introduces the concept with strong calls to action like start sharing and browse challenges. From an information architecture perspective, we focused on clear navigation, consistent uniform labeling, and logical grouping to support a scroll-based layout. These decisions make the site simple to navigate while also reinforcing its message of mindful consumption. The primary goal of the anti-haul agenda is to flip traditional shopping culture by celebrating what people didn't buy. The anti-haul agenda is all about promoting, de-influencing, and showcasing the issues surrounding overconsumption. We wanted to make the concept of degrowth fun and relatable by using humor and interactive challenges on various social media platforms to engage contributors in a positive way. The site is designed as a community-driven platform where people can share anti-haul stories, join themed challenges, and connect with others who value or are interested in mindful consumption. The audience for the anti-haul agenda includes social media users, eco-conscious shoppers, and/or anyone curious about sustainable living, whether they are Gen Z, millennial, or a baby boomer. By utilizing strong information architecture ideas such as organization and labeling systems with creative content, we wanted the anti-haul agenda to be both engaging and easy to navigate while promoting a message that matters. The anti-haul agenda exists because consumerism and impulse buying have become major issues around the world, leading to overspending, unnecessary waste, and environmental harm. With access to platforms such as TikTok, where it is all too common to see shopping hauls and videos promoting fast fashion, the glitz and glam of overconsumption is beginning to also have impacts on society's well-being and financial stability. The degrowth movement offers an economic alternative to this growing epidemic by encouraging mindful choices to help lead to a more sustainable future for everyone on the planet. Our site addresses this by making the concept approachable, fun, and easy to learn about. Through humor, interactive challenges, and community engagement, the anti-haul agenda turns a serious topic into something people want to engage in by helping users rethink shopping culture in a more positive, relatable way. We took this and made the goals of the business mixed with the needs of the users to create the website. Setting goals for your website early on can help to influence organizational context, vocabulary, design, and overall implementation of the project. We faced several challenges and issues throughout the design process of the anti-haul agenda. One was balancing humor with clarity. Our wireframes show playful language, such as, not ready to dig a grave just yet? Take a scroll through the ghosts of purchases past, which is located on the impulse graveyard. We needed to make sure the degrowth message was easy to understand and straightforward. Another challenge was trying to create easy-to-use navigation for a scrollable layout, which affected how we organized parts of the website, like the impulse graveyard and community challenges. We focused on keeping interactive content and submission steps consistent across all pages, such as using tags for better visibility and clear prompts for challenges. In addition, we learned how to use programs such as Figma for creating low-fidelity wireframes and Lucid Spark for creating high-fidelity wireframes, which required time, adjustment, and patience. Managing team dynamics and morale was also an ongoing challenge from the start. This affected us during the design portion because of varying levels of technical know-how with skills and experience, which occasionally held up our progress. We had to frequently correct design issues in small details like color, fonts, spelling, and layout to maintain quality standards. Like UX expert Jared Spool once said, good design, when it's done well, becomes invisible. It's only when it's done poorly that we notice it. Finally, one member exited the group before the final submission, resulting in us having to pivot and move forward. The homepage introduces the anti-haul agenda with a strong, straight-to-the-point welcome message. Skip the haul, join the fun. It immediately invites users to participate through clear calls to action with the Start Sharing and Browse Challenges buttons. An important element of information architecture is the navigation. The anti-haul agenda has a simple navigation bar that is consistent across all pages, which features sections such as Home, About, the Anti-Haul Way, Impulse Graveyard, Don't Buy That, and Community Challenges. The homepage also includes a trending section with funny, relatable content and hashtags to boost visibility and engagement. The homepage highlights a clear organization system, uniform labels, and a layout that encourages scrolling and browsing. Therefore, it makes it simple for a contributor to navigate, all while highlighting its fun and community-focused idea. The Anti-Haul Way page introduces the philosophy behind the anti-haul agenda. This page explains what anti-haul and degrowth mean and why they matter, emphasizing on the environmental and lifestyle benefits of reducing consumption. This page also includes educational content, like news articles that feature the newest documentaries about the planet, the latest nature news, and upcoming trends to reduce overconsumption of fast fashion. The page also provides external resources for contributors who want to learn more about what sustainability is and how their impact matters. We focus on straightforward labels and sensible groupings of content to ensure the page is user-friendly and helpful. The impulse graveyard is where impulse buys go to die. This section allows people to openly talk about the things they didn't buy or wish they hadn't without being judged, which builds a sense of camaraderie and fun. This page includes trending categories like Most Loathed, Fresh Burials, and The Crypt, and features examples such as Luxury Meets Bikini Bottom, an $800 pair of shoes that has you looking like you stepped out of Cartoon Sponge's closet. The steps to submit are easy to follow. People can upload a photo, label their post, and tell their story. The Impulse Graveyard shows clear content hierarchy, easy to follow interaction styles, and tags to help find things, all aimed at making it simple and fun to get involved. We learned quite a few lessons throughout the duration of this project. Information architecture is more than just putting boxes and words on a page. You must be able to understand the goals of your client and the needs of the user. Usability, findability, and understanding are an information architect's golden trifecta. Having good comprehension and communication skills, as well as being able to edit as you go along, is just as important, if not more important, than what you are putting on the pages. Information architecture requires you to be able to work efficiently and effectively as a team. It's important to find people's strengths and assist with their weaknesses. This project helped us gain useful experience by using information architecture ideas in a mock professional setting that we can add to our portfolio after graduation. We learned how to create clear navigation and group content in a balanced way while mixing creativity with usability to keep the site fun and engaging. Learning how to use new tools like Figma and Lucid Spark was tough at the beginning, but it really boosted our tech skills and adaptability for the future. Working through unexpected obstacles and sharing responsibilities helped to strengthen our ability to create and deliver a polished, unified design. Despite the difficulties and challenges we faced, these experiences made the final product something that we're proud of.